Hello, good people. I know there's been some confusion today on how exactly to join your office hours through the platform Google Meet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find those meetings and how you can join them. I'm going to show you two ways how you can do that. So hopefully you can join the office hours you wish to join. I'm going to share my screen real quick. Okay, so y'all should be able to see my screen. So the first way you can join your office hours is simply by going to meet.google, sorry about that, meet.google.com. This will take you to the homepage of Google Meets. And as you can see on mine, it already shows me my office hours at 3 p.m. Our second wave, the afternoon office hours. For y'all, it should have a lot more meetings since y'all have, for every teacher, you should have 2 office hours on the day that the assignment is due. So this will show a lot more meetings. So from here, you simply click the office hours you're trying to join. It will show you this preview screen. Currently, you have not joined yet. You must click join now. The first time you join, and as you see, I joined into the office hours here. The first time you join, it will ask you if you will allow your mic and your computer audio. Please click allow, do not click decline. I know we're conditioned to always block pop-ups, but in this case, they're actually useful. So please allow your mic and allow your video so you can ask questions during the office hours. The second way you can do it is by going to your Google Calendar. So you go to your Google Calendar, and on your Google Calendar, on each day, it will probably show you the reoccurring meetings, the reoccurring office hours you have. So for mine, I just have AP World History since those are the ones me and Mr. Yule host. However, for y'all, you'll see one for each of your teachers. You then click the meeting and then click Join Hangouts Meet. And now you are on the same screen you were before. Again, join now. And now you are in the meeting. Hopefully that clears up some confusion on how to join these meetings. Thank you.